want to build.
Extra.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm so excited.
Hi guys, and today we're going to build these Lego sets. So mine is the diving yacht with this swordfish that wants to eat him. It's like, ah! A little camera. And it was like 148 pieces. Okay. I got a little slice of watermelon here. Right there.
So, this one is mine. Mine is smaller. I think because it has 41 pieces. And it is an ocean mini-submarine. I'm in the ocean. Wait! SpongeBob!
SpongeBob is in the ocean also.
Yeah!
Some salad.
Can I have a Krabby Patty?
Okay, that's weird. That's weird. So, can you talk about it? What is it called?
I already said that.
Wait, what did you say? The ocean. Oh, you're right. So,
Punch, punch, punch! I'm opening the box! Punch, punch, punch! Okay. Oh, I found the number. 60263.
my number is 60221. 602.
Oh,
Are you guys ready to build?
yes!
Scared. Someone's already filming me. I'm just gonna go into the cabin. Ah! So, there is this hammerhead shark that will find the fish, try to find the fish and cut him in half, and then, like a knife, and then eat him. A cool fact about it is, if you take it off, he can actually, like, put it in his mouth. Okay, the crab has all the treasure. He's a guard. And they want to get the treasure. Their snack is some soda and some watermelon pieces. This is for when this guy doesn't have his helmet
You can't see me.
on. This is for the guy when he doesn't have his helmet on. And the same goes for the girl. It's supposed to go there when she doesn't have the helmet on. Their mission is to get the treasure.